Hey there, superstars. Welcome to the Neville Goddard, son of Abdullah channel, where we're about to embark on a magical journey using the power of Askfirmations. Ever heard of Askfirmations? They're questions that make your brain think you're already a mega success or living the reality you desire. It's like talking to your future awesome self. Let's dive into the adventure. Askfirmations are like magic spells for your mind. Instead of saying I am, we ask positive questions that trick our brains into believing we're already living the dream. Ready for some mind-bending questions? Get ready for the Askfirmation challenge. We'd like you to ask yourself these questions daily for at least 33 days in a row. We've got 33 questions to ignite your success rocket and upgrade your life. Repeat after me and feel the magic happen. Here are 33 Askfirmations related to success, happiness, love, and wealth. 1. Why am I so incredibly successful in everything I do? 2. Why do I attract boundless happiness into my life effortlessly? 3. Why am I surrounded by a deep and fulfilling love in every aspect of my life? 4. Why do I effortlessly manifest wealth and abundance every day? 5. Why is success a natural part of who I am? 6. Why do I find joy and satisfaction in every moment of my life? 7. Why does love flow to me from every direction? 8. Why am I so grateful for the wealth that continually fills my life? 9. Why do I effortlessly attract positive and successful people into my circle? 10. Why is my success story an inspiration to others? 11. Why am I always in the right place at the right time for success? 12. Why is my life a magnet for love and joy? 13. Why do opportunities for wealth and prosperity come to me easily? 14. Why do I radiate success and happiness in everything I do? 15. Why is my life filled with love, joy, and financial abundance? 16. Why am I a master at turning challenges into stepping stones for success? 8. Why does my life overflow with love and positivity? 8. Why do I effortlessly attract loving and supportive relationships? 19. Why is wealth a constant and positive presence in my life? 20. Why am I surrounded by opportunities to grow and succeed? 21. Why is my journey towards success exciting and fulfilling? 22. Why do I effortlessly attract the perfect circumstances for my success? 23. Why do I deserve all the love, success, and wealth coming into my life? 24. Why does my life story inspire others to chase their dreams? 25. Why am I a magnet for happiness and joy? 26. Why every day am I a step closer to achieving my goals? 27. Why do I effortlessly attract positive and uplifting experiences? 28. Why is my heart open to receiving and giving love in abundance? 9. Why is my life a continuous flow of financial prosperity? 30. Why am I a beacon of success, shining bright for others to see? 31. Why is my journey filled with love, laughter, and lasting joy? 2. Why do I effortlessly manifest wealth and abundance in surprising ways? 3. Why is my life a beautiful tapestry of success, love, and prosperity? These Askfirmations act like superhero commands to your subconscious mind. By asking, you're telling your brain, this is happening, get ready for the superpower effect. Picture how amazing it feels to have all these incredible things in your life. It's like you're already living the dream. Let those feel-good vibes wash over you like a success tsunami. Make this a daily superhero routine. Repeat these questions in the morning or whenever you need a boost. It's like creating a success soundtrack for your day. Share your Askfirmation wins in the comments. Let's build a tribe of success superheroes. Who knows, your story might inspire others on their journey to greatness. That's a wrap on our Askfirmations adventure. Subscribe for more mind-blowing wisdom. Smash the like button if you're ready to unlock your success secrets. And remember, you're the superhero of your own awesome journey. Until next time, keep asking and believing.